Back in August, I had the chance to visit Toronto, Canada for the first time. This is what I witnessed. Alright guys, so I just got picked up by my friends and we're here. And we're about to head around and explore. Checking out Toronto street murals is a must. Eventually you'll cross paths with a few amazing street art. We had to check out the ballet in Chinatown. That's my favorite Vietnamese sandwich in Oakland. We're back here at Yonge Square, this time at night, so you can see that it's way more packed even though it's a Thursday. Yonge Square gives you a mini Times Square New York vibe. Definitely a place to hang out and take a couple of photos. Half a mile away, you have a huge Toronto sign in the center of Toronto. Doing a little B-roll right now with the Toronto sign right here. And I'm getting a little shot of me as my cameraman Dennis is over there following me with a stabilizer. The next morning, we set out to check out something that has been on my wish list for years. We just arrived in Niagara Falls, and we're about to go check out those waterfalls. It's definitely breathtaking. We headed back to downtown for a quick drive at Kensington, which is right next to Chinatown, before stopping by for lunch at Market 707. Unique place, filled with vendors for sure. What is up everybody, check this out. So I'm on top of my Wrangler Jeep right now, and I just took my own travel photos. I have my camera set up right there, and a GoPro for the behind the scene moments, and I was just posing around my the Jeep right here. I timer shot the phone, so then the view was my Wrangler Jeep and me posing on it, but the real view was this. The CN Tower is right here. I am in Canada right now, and yeah, just took this amazing shot of the CN Tower with the blue sky and me and the Wrangler Jeep right here. Thank you for watching my Toronto series vlog. It is finally over now. You are tired of it, I know, and now we're gonna move on to the next vlog. I just wanted to say thank you, and if you enjoyed all my vlogs on this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. So we're checking out of Toronto, Canada, and what a better way to end it but with Tim Hortons. God, we're tired of seeing this place. Thank you.